Hi and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, my hair is all over the place, but today I thought of sharing this interesting review, guys. Well, lately I've started giving you guys movie reviews as well, along with makeup and skincare and hair care products. So, I have recently watched the movie Sherni by none other than the lead queen Vidya Balan, who played Vidya Vincent in the movie Sherni. It is directed by Amit V. Masurkar, a filmmaker who skyrocketed to fame with the second feature film Newton, which is also selected as the Indian entry for the best foreign language, which film at the 90th Academy Awards. Sherni looks more than promising while Balan maintains her composure and demure disposition in a high pressure, male dominated job. She is also breaking the ceiling with her equally high pressure silence. Simple yet significant in the look Vidya Balan is going for in Sherni, which adds flying colors of resilience to her character. So the story is situated in the beautiful picturesque forest of Madhya Pradesh, and Vidya Balan is a forest officer there who is struggling in her job with the male dominated society because she is the only lady officer right there, and she has to do her job along with all the dominance around her, which is really difficult for her. So the story goes like people are being killed by a ferocious man-eater, whereas the forest officer is concerned about the safety of the tiger because tigers are endangered, and she wants the tiger to be safe and also the people of the village to be safe too. But the villagers are only concerned about their safety and they want the tiger to be killed. Sherni also stars Sharath Saxena, Vijay Raz, Ila Arun, Brijendra Kala, Neeraj Kabi and Mukul Chadha in supporting roles. So the story is very simple. The lady, the female character that is played by Vidya is so natural. There is no makeup, no jazzy clothes, no jewelry, nothing. Her makeup looks so realistic, her attire, everything looks so realistic, and you can feel that she was deep into the role. The role that she picked is so brave that I can't explain in words, because you need to be really silent. Her role is really very calm and quiet. Her anger could not be expressed because no one is going to listen to her. During the search of the man-eater, the villagers were not at all helping her, and there is a lot of political power, the political issues that are there. The politicians wants the tiger to be killed so that they could get the vote from the villagers. So the political leaders, they are fighting against each other so that the tiger could be killed. They hired a professional hunter, and which is a very pathetic action taken, because we all know that tigers are really endangered, and Vidya Balan tries a lot to save the tiger and also to save the people of the village. But because of the political conflict out there, everyone is fighting, and no one is listening to Vidya or the subordinates, those who are helping Vidya Balan in the task of saving the tiger. They launched cameras everywhere, and they could see that the tiger has delivered two beautiful cubs, and everyone else is like scared that, oh my god, the tiger is multiplying, but Vidya Balan whereas is really happy because obviously it is really important for the ecological balance. And so Vidya Balan is also a wife and a daughter-in-law and a daughter, and when her family comes to visit her, the the reaction that that conflict, that whether to perform the duties of a wife or daughter-in-law or the forest officer. So she played amazingly. She has like sort of given us an example of, if you are into such a beautiful work, you are into such an important work of saving the nature, of saving animals and saving our forests, so you should always give that work your priority. Money or your family or anything will come just secondary to you. And that is how beautiful the movie is. I really think that you all should be seeing this movie. I highly recommend the movie. And it is a silent movie. You won't get to see a lot of beautiful views or scenery or anything of that sort. No such great song or designer wears, but truly it has been the most realistic movie. And yes, Vidya Balan is one of my favorite actors. I have interacted with her when she came to Shanti Niketan. It was such a lovely meeting her. Like, it was such a lovely moment of it was such a lovely moment when I get to meet her. So we were shopping in the same shop in Shantiniketan. It's Amar Kuti. If you're from Calcutta or West Bengal, you might be knowing. And everyone was like told to stay away and everything till the time she was shopping. And when she finished her shopping, she just told her people around, she said, just ask people if they want picture or anything. So such a good person she is. And I was the first one to go and just click picture, and she was so humble and so cute, and she's so beautiful. Trust me, there was no person, nothing, no makeup on her face, and she's so beautiful. And not just because she's my favorite actor, but because the movie is so realistic. The truth, the harsh reality, the struggle of a woman, it is shown in the movie. I must say it is the best movie to watch, and I just give this movie a big fat thumbs up. And please go and watch Sherni. It's a must watch movie. So yes, that was it for today. I hope this review would be really helpful to you, and I will come up with more such content. Do not forget to subscribe to Makeup Mistress and follow me on Instagram, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress. And yeah, keep loving, keep supporting, and stay gorgeous, guys. Bye. See you.